Hey guys, welcome back. Don't mind my crazy hair. I just kind of like let it dry natural, so that's why it looks like this. But I thought today I would show you my room tour. You guys haven't really seen everything in it. You've probably seen some in the background, like in some of the videos, but I wanted to go in like a more in-depth and show you how I organize and how I decorate in my small bedroom. It is a pretty small room since we do live in an apartment, and my like room theme is kind of like mostly like marble, black and white and gray, so you'll see that a lot, and I hope you enjoy. So starting off, this is first thing you see when you walk into the room. I'll give you like an overview. It is a pretty small room, so yeah, so here's the door, and I'll shut it so you can see. On the back of the door, I just have a mirror, full-length mirror, and then starting, I guess I'll start over here. So in the like center of the whole room is the bed. So on the bed, I have sorry, I'm like out of breath. I have this marble duvet cover. I think I got it on Amazon. And then I have this gray throw blanket from TJ Maxx. It's cute because it has like the little fringe detail on here. Well, they're like knotted, I guess. And then I got all three pillows that I have on here from Walmart, I think. The gray one, actually the white and the black ones I also got from TJ Maxx. And then I just have a white and black pillow on both of these. Above the bed, I have lights strung up around this black N and E with a gray heart in the middle, which is our initials, me and my boyfriend. And then we both have a black little nightstand that match on both sides. I wanted them to kind of be like mirrored images of each other. So I have this black one from Walmart that I got, and then the lamps are also from Walmart. Sorry. So then I have a white flower vase with some artificial orchids from Hobby Lobby. And then we both have one of these cinnamon spiced vanilla candles. I like the marble accent. And then, same on this side. The same black nightstand, lamp, flower, and candle. And then over here is our dresser. It's actually a pretty crappy dresser. As you can tell already, this drawer is already broken, and then the inside of this one is. But on top we just have our TV and then the Xbox. So these three are like his side, and then these are mine. So on his, just have like underwear and socks, all his shorts, and then down here is like his pajamas and extra socks. And then mine, same kind of layout. Bras, underwear, and socks. This one is broken, like I said, so I'm not going to show that. It's just shorts. And then in here I have all my pants. In this corner, you might have seen this already, is my vanity little station. So I have this silver, like stainless steel trash can. I don't know where I got that. I think it was somewhere online. I think my mom got it for me, actually. And then I have a white fluffy rug from JCPenney, I think. And then my little swivel chair is from Walmart. Underneath, I keep deodorant and then a little mirror. And then this bin is like my nail stuff when I do my own nails. Here's my vanity on top with the mirror and the little lights. I have a mirrored plate from Hobby Lobby. I keep all the perfumes on. It's my makeup palettes I use like every day, and then like kind of like display brushes. And I'm not really going to go in depth with this, but because I already did a video on all of this and my makeup, but each drawer kind of already has its own separate things in there. If you want to see that video, it's my how I organize my makeup and jewelry. And on top I have this Bath and Body Works candle. There it is, on a mirror plate. And then down below it's have this gray kind of like shag carpet from Walmart, along with our gray curtains. You can definitely see the gray, black and white vibe throughout the whole room. So this is like the main layout of the whole room. And then under the bed, I actually use it for storage too, since it's a small room. So in this bin under here, I keep all my like purses and like travel bags. There's nothing there. And then over here is all my like fall and winter clothes, because I switch out my closet each season depending. So like right now in the closet I have all my spring and summer clothes. And then on this side I just have a bin with extra hangers in it. And there's plenty more room, so I could put more stuff in if I wanted to. Over here you see the closet, like there's the door, and then here's the closet. In this corner I just keep a fan and then our scale. So I'll open up the closet now. It's like double doors. I'll move this fan out of the way a little. So here's like a little overview of the closet. I'm actually gonna move this fan. It's in the way. There we go. Now they open a little more. So as a general layout, this whole side is kind of like my stuff down and over, and then this is his and over. But the shoes are kind of like mixed matched in a way. So starting, I'm gonna turn on, I have these little tap lights in here so that I can see better. I have one on both sides. So I guess I'll start down here. So this is my side of the closet. I have hung up here on a command hook all my robes, and then like all my like nightgowns. And then down here on top I have my gym bag, and then this is like all my workout stuff. So in this, probably it's hard to see. In this first drawer I have all my sports bras. This one I have all my shorts and then workout tops. And then in this last one I keep all my workout pants and bottoms. And then keep my like belts back here on this hook. This first bin has all my scarves in it. It'll be hard to see because it's up pretty tall. The second bin has all of my t-shirts in it. Can't even see it, but I did a video on those too. I just rolled up all my t-shirts, and I also, this bin's tank tops, and I roll those as well. And then these are all my clothes from like this like hanging part back here. And I try to color coordinate them. So it kind of goes from like white, black, gray, like nudes, reds, greens, blues, and then kind of like other colors. And then down here is all our shoes. There's not really a particular like organization system there. It's just all our shoes. Most of them are mine, as you can tell. Then over on his side, same layout. He has a hook with his robe on it. And then from here over are all his clothes, which I kind of did like the same matching with like the whites, blacks, grays, and so on. And then down here in this bin, you can't see, but I keep all of our winter and summer things in there, like winter hats and gloves, and then for summer swimsuits and such. And then for his 3 bins, this one we use to put our hangers in. So instead of putting hangers in front after we take an item off, we always put it up in that bin. And then like when we get the clothes done, I just pull that bin out and hang everything back up. This bin has all of his pants in it. And then this one, like jeans and stuff. And then this one has all of his like sweatpants in it. So let's turn these off. But yeah, and then, so that was all of the closet. I think that's pretty much it. It's a pretty small room, but it works well for us. So yeah. I really hope you enjoyed the video and maybe got some ideas for your own room if you have a small room or live in an apartment like I do. If you like these kind of organization videos, make sure to give it a like so I can know to do more. I have different other organizing systems in my house, especially my kitchen. So if you're into that, then let me know so I can do those for you. I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.